Can we see WhatsApp one-time photo again? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can see WhatsApp one-time photo again or not. So let's just dive right into the video and find out. So for that, first thing is opening up your WhatsApp, and once you are there, you can head over to the photo that you may want to view once again in your WhatsApp. So once you've viewed a WhatsApp once photo sent by other people, you'll be finding it like this with this one timer beside the photo. Unfortunately, we cannot see it again because the feature is designed to only allow one-time viewing. You cannot even save, screenshot, or forward the photo. So once you open the photo, it disappears and cannot be accessed again. So for now, the only method if you want that picture is if you quickly take a photo of the screen with another device before it disappears. So that is only the way you can use in order to see the WhatsApp one-time photo again. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.